Step back in time and uncover a hidden chapter of the American Revolution. George Washington's 1778 encampment in Pawling, New York, was not defined by battles, but by strategy, diplomacy, and intelligence, decisions that shaped the future of the nation. Now, through an innovative, interactive exhibit, visitors can explore Washington's world like never before. Experience the secret messages of the Compass Spy network, decoded before your eyes. Handle artifacts from the encampment and engage with immersive video displays. Walk through Washington's headquarters in virtual reality, seeing the very rooms where he planned for victory. QR codes throughout the exhibit unlock deeper insights, keeping the experience fresh with ongoing updates. Learn how Washington strengthened the fragile Franco-American alliance, used intelligence to outmaneuver the British, and maintained the morale of 13,000 troops in the face of winter. Designed for families and history enthusiasts alike, this exhibit brings the past to life with hands-on discovery. Investing in this exhibit enriches our community, honoring Pawling's role in history while inspiring future generations. With your support, we can turn history into an experience, where the Revolutionary War isn't just remembered, it's relived.